तो सौगत राय ने कतई भी मांग नहीं की इसके बाद कि मनमोहन सिंह को बहुमत साबित करना चाहिए। सुनते हैं क्या कुछ कहा सौगत राय ने इस राष्ट्रपति से मुलाकात के बाद।
They went to the Prime Minister's residence at 4 p.m. and we handed over to him the individual letters of resignation of all 6 ministers from the Council of Ministers. Then we have come to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and we have handed over to the President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, a letter signed by Mukul Roy, Chairman of our parliamentary party, withdrawing our support to the UPA 2 government headed by Dr. Manmohan Singh. The President has accepted our letter of withdrawal of support. We thanked both of them.
राष्ट्रपति ने समर्थन वापसी की चिट्ठी स्वीकार भी कर ली। यानी यूपीए से 2 से 19 तृणमूल के कांग्रेस के सांसद अलग हो गए।